There are many products available to choose a folding scooter electric, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best folding scooter electric from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gotrax GXL V2 Commuting Electric Scooter. The Gotrax GXL V2 electric scooter is a dream to ride, and hands down the best for its value. Its 36 feet 10.4Ah battery lasts up to 12 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for short rides to the grocery store and around town. And, if the battery runs low, it charges in less 4 hours. Cracks and pavement bumps are no match for airless 8.5-inch heavy-duty tires, meant to grip almost any surface. If bike paths are part of your daily routine, the scooter has 2 speed settings for its 250W motor. 8 miles per hour and 15.5 miles per hour. Best of all, you can lock in cruise control on either speed if you hold the accelerator for a couple seconds. Number 2. Razor E300 Electric Scooter. Razor's E300 model is a real bargain for an electric scooter with a steel frame. The scooter handles cracks and bumps with ease, thanks to its 9-inch wheels, and a 250W chain drive ensures that you'll be able to go places at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. No need to worry about adjusting speed, as the Razor E300 comes with one top speed. The 24V Elite Acid battery lasts up to 10 miles, making it a great option for short store visits and a quick commute. Number 3. Swagger 5 Boost Commuter Electric Scooter. Commuters, rejoice. With a massive motor of up to 300W and a 37V battery, expect the Swagger 5 Boost electric scooter to help you get to and from the office easily with up to 11 miles of battery life. If it's a new commute, the Swagtron app syncs with your phone's location to navigate you from point A to point B. 3 speed modes with cruise control technology built into the app and the scooter help ensure easy, fast commuting. Honeycomb tires measuring 8.5 inches also keep free from needing any wheel maintenance, making this a great choice for the scooter commuter. Number 4. Glion Dolly Foldable Electric Scooter. If you feel the need for speed, the Glion Dolly Adult Electric Scooter is your new best friend. The near-noiseless 250W motor boasts speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, and its massive 36V battery gives a runtime of up to 15 miles. You can adjust the height of the aluminum handlebars 3 different measurements to ensure a more customized riding experience. 2. Military-designed honeycomb tires measure 8 inches to maneuver around town. And if you're heading into the office or stopping at a restaurant, the Glion is capable of folding compact enough to sit under a table or in a closet. Number 5. Evercross Electric Scooter. For those who like to try and beat their personal best times, the Evercross electric scooter is the best option. An 800W motor helps the scooter power over hills and through city streets, and can fly up to 28 miles per hour. The scooter comes equipped with a detachable seat for a more bike-like experience. The dual brake system helps maintain control even at high speeds, and bright LED lights along the chassis sides will help cars spot you as you fly along the streets. 10-inch airless wheels also make for easy controlled navigation. A 48V 10Ah battery will make sure that the scooter can go for up to 31 miles before it needs a charge. And thanks to the detailed advanced integrated control system right beside the ignition, you can check that as well as adjust cruise control while riding. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.